Hello, and welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to add an art cover to MP3 files, step by step. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more helpful content like this. Step 1. First, we need a tool to add a cover to your MP3 file. Open your web browser and search for MP3 tag. From the search results, make sure to go to the official MP3 tag website. Once there, click on Download. Step 2. After downloading, close your browser and open your File Explorer. Navigate to your Downloads folder, locate the MP3 tag installer, double-click on it, and follow the instructions to install it. Step 3. Now, find the MP3 file you want to add a cover to. Drag and drop the file into MP3 tag. Once the file is loaded, click on it to select it. Step 4. Look to the left side of the MP3 tag window, and you'll see a blank cover icon. Right-click on it and select Add Cover. Next, locate the image you want to use as your cover. This could be album art or any picture you've saved on your computer. Once you've found the image, select it and click Open. Step 5. Now that your cover image has been added, double-check that everything looks good. Once you're happy, go to the top left corner of MP3 tag and click on the Save button. That's it. Your MP3 file now has a custom cover. And there you have it. When you play the MP3 file, you'll see the new cover displayed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me